Hi, my name is Claude, otherwise known as Relic, and this is my investment journey on eToro. I chose eToro for my investments because it makes investing a lot more accessible to the average person, and it was by far the most sophisticated solution at the time of me joining, and it has continued to innovate since. My investment strategy is to focus on cryptocurrencies as well as US and China tech stocks. And this allows me to evaluate projects as well as companies with an edge over the market. The hardest part of my investment journey has probably been the drawdowns. Because I'm involved in such a volatile market, it is sometimes very difficult to communicate those fluctuations to copiers. My key milestone on the platform was the first time I hit Elite as a popular investor, as that was always a dream of mine. Being sort of amongst the ranks of the people I used to look up to was something really special to me. The most valuable lesson for me in my first year on eToro was probably that I should be investing in things that I'm passionate about, as well as to probably avoid as much leverage as possible. I adapt to changes in the market by applying key investment principles of not trying to time the market, where time in the market is often more valuable than actually timing the market itself, and remaining composed even through the downturns while continuing to invest whether the market's high, whether the market's low, but just consistently investing. Someone should copy me if they're looking for an easy path into the cryptocurrency space as well as the US tech space. I try and provide a palatable way for investors to approach these markets for the first time if they don't really have experience in them.